How to fix archived stories, missing or not working on Instagram. Accessing archived stories. First, open your Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, then select Archive. You'll see Post Archive at the top. Tap on it and change it to Stories to see all your archived stories. Ensuring stories are archived. If your stories still aren't showing up, go back to your profile. Tap the three lines again and select Settings. Go to your App and Media section then and tap on Archiving and Downloading. Make sure the Save Story to Archive option is toggled on. This ensures your stories are saved to your archive rather than just your camera roll. Troubleshooting missing stories. If you've done all this and still can't see your stories, it's time for some troubleshooting. Go back to Settings, scroll down to the Your App and Media section then, and tap on Archiving and Downloading. Toggle the Save Story to Archive off, wait about 10 seconds, and then toggle it back on. Return to your archive to see if your stories have reappeared. Advanced Fix. Clear Cache Instagram. If your stories are still missing, you might need to clear cache the Instagram app. Go to your device settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Click on Instagram. Now click on Storage and Cache, and tap on Clear Cache. Check for updates. If you are on an iPhone, go to the App Store, or if you are on Android, go to the Play Store. Search for the Instagram app. There, look for any update available. Try to update the app. This can fix any issues. And that's it.